Hi, my name's Celina, and I'm really excited to show you this beautiful turn-of-the-century gem here in Nova Scotia.
Today we're in the charming town of Shelburne, which is a little over 2 hours from Halifax. Known for its loyalist heritage, Shelburne is home to one of the best preserved collections of 18th century buildings in Canada. The property I'll be showing you today was built in the late 1800s and was home to a Bank of Commerce branch by 1910. At that time, Shelburne was a thriving coastal community with shipbuilding, fishing, and trade driving the local economy. Banks built during this era were designed to project strength, stability, and permanence. This historic building has served many purposes over the years and was later converted into a fourplex. Evidence of its past remains, with 5 meters and 4 hot water tanks still in place. Converting it into a duplex would be fairly straightforward, or it could be restored back to a fourplex if desired. Now let's go on inside and have a look at this beauty. A lot of the original details have been kept, giving the space so much character and charm.
One of the charming features about this building is the original bank safe, which has been creatively redesigned into the kitchen pantry. They even have the original bank receipts dating back as early as 1908. Upstairs, you have a lot of space with 6 possible bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, sitting rooms, and a game room. The unfinished attic has high ceilings and plenty of potential for additional living space. And this bathroom on the right does have a view of the harbor. If you would like more details on the full layout and the room sizes, the floor plan is included in the listing details. This primary bedroom features harbor views, an ensuite bathroom, and a spacious closet. As we come back downstairs, remember how I mentioned earlier converting the space back into a duplex would be fairly straightforward? This section offers a great opportunity to restore that setup and create additional income potential for the next buyer. It features 2 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, a kitchen, and 2 private entrances of its own. The backyard offers some space to work with and includes a shed that will require some TLC. However, it once had both plumbing and electricity, giving it plenty of potential. Just steps from the property and the water, we are offering the option to purchase this workshop. It is also being sold separately as well, so availability may change by the time you watch this video. This durable workspace features electricity, high ceilings, and plenty of versatility. Location-wise, this property is truly spectacular. Shelburne offers magnificent sunsets, all the amenities you need, a friendly community, and plenty of fun events throughout the year. With this property on Water Street, you are right on the main street of businesses in Shelburne. Although this property is commercially zoned, the current sellers have enjoyed living here residentially for the past 25 years, giving the next owner plenty of options for its future use. I can't wait to see what the next chapter will be for this unique property. Thank you so much for coming on this virtual open house tour. If you have any questions, here are my contact details and you can call me anytime. Thanks again, and we will see you next time.